Today, I want to share with you how I made this super creamy ice cream and you will love it. And if you want to make this as your side hustle, guys, you will get market and kasa. So if you want to know how I made this, just watch the video to the end as I take you through the process on how I made this, okay? Just see how yummy and so creamy chewy, thick the ice cream looks. So let's start with the process, okay? In my bowl, I will go in with 2 cups of whipping cream powder, but you can use the liquid as well. But I prefer the powder because that was absolutely delicious than the liquid one. So I added 1 cup of cold water, not room temperature water, cold water I removed from the fridge. So I am going to use my stand mixer and then whip this for at least 10 minutes or more till it is fluffy and it doubles in size as well. So I am going to leave this to do the job
And
for
if
me.
you don't have a stand mixer, you can use a hand mixer or a spatula, and the job will be done perfectly. So, this is the consistency we want, so fluffy and very thick. And if you want to know it has been whipped to perfection, just scoop small quantity like this and then turn it around. If it doesn't fall, it means your thing has been whipped to perfection. So next, I am going to add condensed milk here, but you can skip the condensed milk if you're not a fan of it. And then I will add cocoa powder. So I will leave all the measurements down below in the description. And I am going to continue with the whipping or mixing or what so I'm okay with the consistency. And I am going to do this to infuse some air in it. So this is what we have. So fluffy, yummy, and very thick. So I am going to transfer this into my bowl and I am going to freeze this for at least 4 hours. So, guys, if you are still with me till now and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so before you forget, okay? And please don't forget to like this video, share this video so my videos can reach wider audiences. I don't know what is happening to my YouTube these days. I have very low views, which are discouraging, but we move no matter what. So please share for me, okay? And don't forget to turn on your notification bells to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. So next, I'm going to add some chocolate chips, but you can skip this part if you don't like it, okay? But if you add it to, it will taste so good. And someone might ask why I added the cocoa powder. Won't the ice cream be better? No, darling. It tasted so good, and you wouldn't even realize there is cocoa powder in this thing. So I am going to cover it like this and then freeze this for at least 4 hours in the freezer, and then I will be back. So I freeze this for I think 12 hours, and here we are. Our ice cream is so good, yummy, and inviting. So just try this recipe at home, or you can try this at some gathering you are doing or anywhere, and let the people judge you, guys. It came out so good, so good. I mean, so just try this recipe and you will love it. Thank you so much for watching this video till this very end, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.